In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw a floor plan like this. So this is 3-bedroom floor plan bungalow. So I designed this for a client. So I'm going to show you how you can exactly draw floor plan like this one. So let's get started. So let's open another drawing environment. So we have our drawing environment. This particular one cover 13 meter by 13 meter, 13 meter by 13 meter. So let's begin our drawing. So the first thing we need to do is to create our layers. So now to create our layers, you click on layers and click on this to create new layer. So our new layer is going to be a wall. So wall, then the line thickness is going to be 0.35 meters. So another layer for window. So the thickness for your window will be 0.25. So let's create another layer for door. Create another layer for columns. Another layer for text. Layer for dimensions. So I think we should another layer for balcony. So I think this should be all you have layers we are going to use. So let's change color for windows. So click on this to choose another color for window. So I'm going to use blue. Then blue for, so let's choose for blue. That's my thinker. Column. I think column should be yellow. Then text should be blue as well. Dimensions should be green. The balcony should be, I think, should be red. Then let's create another one for grid. Grid. So our grid will be red, it will be black color. So now we have created our layers. So let's cancel this and start begin with our drawing. So first thing to do is to draw our rectangle. Now let's choose our layers. So we are going to choose lower. So let's draw rectangle that is 13 by 13. 13 meter, that is by 13 meter. So we have, so okay, let's make our LW display on. So as you can see, you can see our line thickness. So now let's offset our line. So offset. So we are going to be offset by 225. So offset in. So now let's begin the proper arrangement of the room. So from here we have another room here. So we are going to give it distance of 3 meter. Here 3,500, that is 3.5 meter. So let's create what is it called, bathroom and toilet for the room. So we are going to give it 2,000 meter by 1,500. So add it. So let's create laundry for this. So we give it 3,000 distance again by 3,500 by 3,000. 3,000. So let's create another one. From here to here is 2,000. By 3,500. Now Let's join this line. So from here to here is going to be 2000. From here to here is 2000. 2 by 3000. So let's divide this. From here to here is equals is 1500. So we have divided this. So from here to here, from here again, let's give it dimension of 4000 by 5000. 4000. So from here, let's give it 3000. From here again, let's give it 2000. 2000 by 1500. Well, let's increase this from here again to 500. So from here to here will be 500 also. So let's give this place dimension of 3000. By 3000. From here, let's give it difference of 1000. Then to here, 1000. From here to here, let's give it distance of 2500. 500. Then let's trim these places commute. Here to here, Let's give it this time of 6,000. Then give this place 8,000. Now, from here, let's give this distance of 1,800. Now let's trim. Here to here should be 1,500. Then will be here. So from here to here, from here to here should be 500. And 4, 2, 2, 9. From here to here should be 500 as well. 500. Now let's offset our rooms. Offsets was 225. So now let's trim out all these places. All right, now we have our arrangements. So now let's cut out openings, window openings, and door openings for this floor plan, and also create entrance porch for this particular floor plan. So let's begin. I'm going to fast forward this video to create this. So let's get. Now let's draw our doors and fix door and window. But first, let's create our porch. That is entrance. So these are entrance. So let's change these to let's create our windows, sorry. So let's send this layers to windows. So we have three different type of windows in these buildings. We have bigger ones, which is 1,200 millimeter, whereas the small ones is 800 millimeter. So let's draw our windows. So first from here to here, 1,200 by 225 by 1,200 by 225. So let's zoom. Offset by 5. So let's offset. Now mark all and create block. So let's name it the view one. So let's create the small window, 800 by 225. 800 by 225. So offset. Now let's mark this. Click B to create block. That is the view two. So now let's fix our window. First, click on it, copy. And now let's begin to fix this window into these openings. So let's move this. Move. Now let's fix our small windows. Let's fix our doors. So let's draw our door. So we have three types of door in this building. So these two entrance doors are have dimension of 1,200, this and this, while the room doors is 900 millimeter, while the toilet doors and this small openings, that is office, home office, is 600 by dimension. So let's draw our door. So first, click on line command, draw line 1,200, and then you pick your arc. So click this arc. Sorry. Now let's draw another 600. No. GB. Now then this one. Now pick arc. From here to right there is point. Click on it to this endpoint. Then drag it up. Now let's mirror this. So draw line from here to here. Draw another line from here to here. So offset these lines by let's say 50. Now let's turn. Now so let's create it. Let's make this block. Okay. Block. That is D1. So we have our D1. So let's create another window door that is for rooms. So 900. Now come to arc starting point from here to here, track it down, then click on it to this point, click, then drag up. Now draw our line, offset, 50, then create block D2. Now let's create for 600 arc. Line, draw the line, offset, then block D3. So now let's begin fix our those. Now we have fixed our door and windows in this floor plan. So let's create our column for our entrance. So columns, of course. No, let's create column will be 225 by 2. Offset. Now let's fix our column. Now we have fixed our column. The next thing is to label our rooms. So text, T command for text. So bedroom. Let's rotate this. So now let's scale our right up. So move. Oh, you have our plan already. So this will be part 1 of this video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can put on dimension on this video, on this floor plan, and also how you can put on center design, that is furniture, on your design on this floor plan, on your plan. And then the next video will be about roofing, how to draw your roofing plan, then your elevations. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel if you find this interesting. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Thank you.